Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss about how we change our wallpaper from the desktop. For this, just click on the right click from your keyboard and here's the personalized. We just need to click on this personalized and here we go. So here we have a multiple options of the wallpapers, like they give us some already files and picture. Just click on this spot. I want to change my wallpaper to this one. If I want to change, just I need to click this, and if I want to add from the browser, I just need to click the browser, and as video as much we can select from here. So simply click on this button, and that's it. Here we go. Our background is changed, our desktop is changed. So to get more videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye bye.